Hello. All right, so before we get into the rest of the course, I want to talk to you about the mentality that brings success, because it's all about how you think. If you can learn to change the way that you think, your life will change forever, as long as you give it time. I used to think that, I don't know, is it possible to earn money from a computer? Is it possible to work from home and be your boss? I don't know. That's wrong. It's not a matter of if it's possible. It's a matter of whether you will do it. And all that you need to do it is to know that other people do it. Because if other people are doing it, that means you can do it. I worked at Starbucks for 4 years before I found the information necessary for me to leave that job and be able to do what I love and spend time with the people that I love and travel. You can change your life. It's not a matter of if it's possible. It is a matter of whether you will do it. The aim of this course is to educate you and show you that there's a lot of different ways and to give you experience so that you don't have to make the mistakes that I did and you can learn. I'm not saying that you should do exactly what I do, but my goal here is to show you that you can change your life. It is possible. You can be your own boss. Now, the next thing is, are you going to? I think you can. In fact, I know that you can, because if I can, anybody can. Seriously. So, in the next section, you're going to see Marcus and I talking about dropshipping. Okay, we're going to talk about a couple different concepts, and the purpose of this section is to just kind of bring you up to speed, give you some things to think about, not show you anything specific. And then after that, there's going to be a section about eBay and all the eBay settings and dropshipping. That's where all the tutorials are going to start, okay? So the next section is just kind of watch it as if you're just part of a conversation. Enjoy it. Don't think about it too much. Just try and absorb what you can and then move forward into the rest of the course. And then everything's going to be bueno. All right, guys, I will see you in further videos. Ciao.